Basically, I made a huge mistake. I picked this folding E-tool or entrenching tool. Paid $5 or $10 for it. It's all wallowed out, and this guy's pretty hard to actuate. I'm going to try and replace it with this 1/4 20 screw. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a drill press and drill this rivet out. As much as I've used these things, I've never seen the inside of one. Part of my problem with this thing getting stuck is this sleeve is supposed to keep this guy justified to this square tube with enough forces spinning inside there. I think we will put some self-tappers right there. But what I did is I drilled these two little holes, one there and one there. And good number two. I'm going to put this in the vise and kind of straighten this guy out. Just a couple extra little pings on it. Perfect. You know what? This is gonna wobble. Let's see if we can't fit a 5/16 in there. I think that's gonna work. All right. Putting it back together. Now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if we find a different screw. It's sticking out a little long. Did find another screw. We're going to drill a hole straight through there so I can pin this. So I was going to take this cotter pin, just drill a hole and be done with it. But I was like, I think I can do it cleaner.
You sure about that?
Somehow I've got a number 440 tap, a 440 screw, and I've got a number 43 drill bit. I'm going to drill a hole right through that guy and tap it. If I screw it up, that tap will break off, and what'll happen is I'll end up scrapping this bolt and have to take all this stuff apart, but I want to do it. Truck driver. Broke my good drill bit off. The only redeeming quality is that I should be able to just pry it out. We're going to find out real quick if this was a good idea or a terrible idea. This guy snapped off. I guess the redeeming quality is now that it's stuck in there, it becomes its own pin. Okay, so I had to figure out a way to finish this video. This E-tool, or entrenching tool. I wanted to tap this all the way through, and I broke it right at the very end. I just got frustrated, and I didn't want to buy another tap, so I'm gonna decide to leave it in here. This E-tool is going to sit in my car for when I need a small shovel. Well, thanks for watching.